What else can you do to make your life better? I like to stop eating and drinking about 5 p.m. every day. Because if you have too much energy in your system, right? First of all, fat, they've done the science. So if you believe it or not, it doesn't matter. The science and the facts are the facts. Fat reduces your testosterone levels in your body. So if you are very fat, you're going to have to take TRT because you're not going to produce enough testosterone in your system. All you have to do is reduce your fat to get your testosterone back. So, I mean, what's easier? Take drugs or do the right thing, right? And also, fat creates an incredible amount of inflammation in your system, especially after you hit 40, when you can't really easily get rid of the fat that you put in. Fat is found in pretty much every food out there, including vegetables. So do you really need that meat fat? No, you don't. And also the meat fat stays in your system longer than the vegetable fat. So there you go. Would you put extra fat in your car? Did you put like extra oil in your car when your oil is fully filled up? No, you wouldn't. Would you put extra gasoline in your tank when the machine has already told you it's full? No, and those people who top it up too much end up breaking the tank. So yeah, there you go. If you think about your body as a machine instead of an organic system, and you put less sugar, and you put less salt, and you minimize the amount of water, and you minimize the amount of everything that goes in, you're probably better off than those people who just put as much as they want, whenever they want, and just keep going and doing this excessively. And the worst part of all is when people say this is the diet you should do, just like Paul Saladino, and he's selling the diet to people who are going to be sitting on the couch all day. When you sell the Paul Saladino diet to couch potatoes, you are inevitably sending them to their grave. Now, if you're on the Paul Saladino diet and all you do is hunt and gather, right? Or you're like Arnold Schwarzenegger and all you do is lift weights all day long, you may survive a little bit longer, but that doesn't mean that it's good or that it's safe. And so that's where I go with all this stuff is be careful who you trust. Distrust and verify everything, including the information you get from me. You have chatbot GPT, you have hopefully some health professionals that are following you. Always consult your personal doctor. They will do the best they can to help you. But again, remember, they also have to take care of your mental health, so they can't always tell you the truth. Sometimes they will sell you a white lie because they know how you react to certain things just to keep you alive a little longer. So you do what you can. But as I want to say in this series here, what I'm going to try to do is see if I can get Babyface back, because apparently you can't be a real influencer unless you've got Babyface. So we'll see how and what happens going forward, but we'll see if we can get Babyface. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome time. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.